You are either watching this because you are a freelancer or want to become one. To succeed as a freelancer, you need to know as well as understand your personality. That is your strength and your weakness. In this video, we are going to discuss 4 tips to being successful freelancing online. Before we get started, I produce content on making money online, computer tech tips, and freelancing. If you love this topic, subscribe now and hit the bell notification so as you don't miss when I upload videos like this. Okay, let's go to tip number 1. The first tip to succeed as a freelancer is your skill. In this, you need to know what skills to learn, and how you learn those skills is what will determine your success. Let us look at how do you know what skills to learn or offer. This depends on 3 things. 1. Passion. 2. Proficiency. And 3. Profit. As the words suggest, you need to have a passion for that skill. You need to be proficient in it, and the skill should be able to give back to you in terms of income. So you have to be sure that there are people earning money from that skill. I go further about this in another video, so check the video out to learn more. After knowing your skill, how do you learn? With this, there are 2 ways. 1. Paid course or paid training. This is where you pay for a course from a freelancer or find a course online and pay for it. The other way is to find free training online that you can use as your resource to learn. I also do have videos that explain further about free learning. The second tip is focus. With focus, I mean you only need to focus on one skill. When starting out, you need to commit at least 1 year. The first 3 months are for learning. The next 3 are for mastering freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. You also need to master how to write proposals or pitching to clients, because these are skills on their own that you need to master. You may have a skill, but you do not know how to communicate to clients in order to get work. So these are skills that you should be able to learn by yourself. And this is where you find yourself that you're getting paid while you're learning. So focus on one skill. When you focus on the skill, you make sure that you learn everything about the skill and you're able to earn money through that. The last 6 months are for crushing it and earning. Unless you choose the wrong skill, then go back to tip number 1. The third tip is putting in the hours. This is where most freelancers fail. They either purchase a course and do not implement. If you want to succeed as a freelancer, then you need to put in the hours for deliberate practice. What is deliberate practice? Deliberate practice is finding the small things in a skill that you need to learn in order to fully understand a skill. I can give an example of video editing because this is what I do. Video editing comprises of a lot of things, but the first step you need to know is how to create a story from a video. The second thing you need to know is how to cut videos to make it more appealing. So you pick those small skills that you need in order to ensure that you understand the full skill that you are offering. This is where you take action for maximum productivity. When you do this, you'll be able to increase your skill and command high pay in future. Let me give an example of writing. Article writing comprises of many skills that one needs to understand. But the basic thing a freelancer needs to understand is the format of an article, whereby you have the heading, the introduction, the body, and finally the outro. So a writer can choose to focus on writing good headings or focus on writing good introductions. So you are taking that small skill and learning it by itself in order to understand the full skill of article writing. If you pick transcription, you need to work on something like your English. So you need to understand the US English and the UK English. The other way is to understand different accents from those locations. So these are small skills that one needs to learn. And the final tip that will make you get more clients as well as repeat clients is keep improving the quality of work. I mean, you should always aim to deliver quality work. Deliver quality work on time as well. When you deliver quality work, a client is able to recommend you to his fellow friends. And when you keep on improving the quality of work, that's where you get in repeat clients over and over again. Just recently, I got a new client and I did some work for her. I ended up doing a good job in such a way that she became a repeat buyer with an even large project for me, which I have already finished, as you can see here on my profile that the work is delivered. So I hope that these tips were valuable to you. If so, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.